Hi friends, how are you all? So nice to see you. We are going to do a lesson on literacy. So for this, you're going to need your bug alphabets, all the letters, okay? And you can just lay them out kind of mismatched in front of you on the table. You'll need something to write with, and you'll need this sheet here. Okay, and you can press pause and then play when you're all ready to go. All right, are you ready? Okay, wonderful. Let's look at the day and see what date it is, because sometimes it's easy to forget what month we're in, what day of the week it is. So if you're watching this on a Tuesday, we're going to check out what the day is. So what month are we in? Do you remember the M-A-Y? We're in May. Very good, friends. And let's see what day of the week it is. I think I gave it away already. Is it Sunday? No. Monday? No, it is Tuesday. And let's go down. And what is this number here? A 1 and a 2. We've just learnt this one, right? 1 and a 2. It's a 12. Do you think we can count to 12? Let's count our numbers up to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is Tuesday, May 12th. Okay, wonderful. Are you ready to get started? Okay, great. So to start with, let's talk about a letter of the week. So this week we are learning about insects. But insects does not begin with the letter that we're looking at today. But you know what I was thinking? Where do insects live a lot of the time? Sometimes they go underground. So under. What letter of the week does under start with? Let's see. The letter U. And you see our uppercase U, lowercase u. Can you draw that in the sky for me? U. That's kind of an easy one, right? A little swoop. U. Very good. Let's look at some things that U begins with. We have ukulele, umbrella, and underwear. Very good. So do you hear that some of those words sound a little different at the beginning, right? Ukulele. What sound do you hear there? U. So there, the U says its name, U. What other words can we think of that starts with a U sound? Unicorn. Very good. Unicorn starts with the letter U, but it sounds a little different. Let's listen to umbrella, umbrella, or under. What sound do you hear there? The U says a. Can you do that? Very good. So the U can either say its name like unicorn, or it will say like umbrella. Very good. So I want you to think about things in your house maybe that you can find, or words that begin with the letter U, and I want you to tell me next time we see each other, okay? All right, great. All right, we're going to play a couple of games, okay? So Miss Victoria is going to show you an uppercase letter. So I have my mommy bugs. Need to find their baby bugs. Okay, I think you all have the baby bugs, right? So you're going to spread them all out. You see the baby? I gave that one away to you. So this is the baby A. And the mommy A wants to find its baby A. So when I hold up an uppercase letter, I want you to show me its lowercase baby friend, okay? Its lowercase baby. So spread all your letters out in front of you. And I'm going to hold up a few letters. And I want you to see if you can find their babies, okay? So let's start with that letter A. You guys ready? So mommy A wants to find its baby A. Can you show me the baby A? Hold it up. Did you find it? Very good. So A, mommy A, baby A. All right. Let's see. What about this one? What's this? A B. Very good. Can you find the baby bee? Where's that little baby bee? There it is. So big bee, little bee, mommy bee, baby bee. All right, let's do another one. Ready? Let's try our letter C. Mommy C. Can you find the baby C? That should be pretty easy because it looks the same and it's the same color, right? So mommy C, baby C. You can put them together, just put it down when we've done it in a pile on the side, okay? All right, let's find our, what's this? Big D. Can you find the baby D? Where's the baby D? Do you have it? It's green. D. There's our D. It looks quite similar to the B, right? But it goes the other way. So mommy B, mommy D, baby D. Very good, friends. All right, let's do a couple more. You ready? So what's this one? Mommy E. E. Let's find the baby E. It should be blue. Can you hold it up? Little E, big E, little E. Very good. All right, let's try one more. Ready? F. F. Let's find that little F. Baby F. Very good. Let's look at them together. Uppercase F, lowercase f. Very good. All right, let's do one more. You ready? We're going to do this, the rest of these, in my next lesson, okay? So I know there's a lot of letters in the alphabet. Let's look at this one. What's this? G, that's right. This is the mommy G. She needs to find her baby G. Do you have her baby G? Look at what the color is. Red. That will help you find baby G. So mommy G, baby G. Very good. All right, and then let's do one more. I keep saying one more. Let's do one more. Ready? Uppercase H. Let's find our baby H. What does that look like? What color is it? Orange. Little H. Very good. Okay. Now we're going to move on to a different game, okay? So still using your letters. I want you to mix them all up if you didn't already. All right, and what I want you to do is when you have them at home, I want you to get your sheets and a crayon. Okay, and this is a game that you can play at home, and you can print it out again if you want to play it a few times, okay? So when you hold up, you're going to just pick a letter, and you can turn them over and then turn it over, or you can just keep them upright, whatever you want to do. You can play it a few different ways. So hold up your letter. All right, and what is that? That's a lowercase I. So then you're going to find it on your sheet and color it in. And you can use the same colors as they are if you want to match the colors, or you can use all the same colors, whatever you'd like. All right, so where's the I on this sheet? Did you find it? Right at the end. So when you find your I, so you get an I, and then you color in your I on the sheet. Okay. Yeah. You see I colored it in? All right, and then you put the I to the side because you already did that one. And then let's turn over another letter. What is this? A lowercase J. Very good. So then you'll go to your alphabet and you'll find your J. You see, make sure they match. You can put them next to each other, and then you're going to color in your J. And again, you can try and match the color or just use it whatever your favorite colors are. Try and stay right in the lines so you can practice tracing the letter too before you color it in, okay? All right, let's do another one. Okay, we're going to mix it up a little bit. What is this one? Lowercase Z, little Z. So we know that's at the very end of the alphabet, right? If you go through all of your alphabet, it's at the very end. And then you're going to color that Z in. Stay right in the lines. Try not to go over the lines. They're cute little bugs, right? Okay, and then we put our Z to the side because we already did it. Okay, let's find another one. What is this one? An O, that's right. He's a cute little O. So then we find our O on our sheet and try and color it right in the lines. Stay in, you can trace it first and then color the whole thing in. There's our O. And then you put your O to the side. Okay, let's do a couple more. This is the first letter in my name. What's that one? V for Victoria. Very good. And what color is that, friends? Green. So then you find your V on your sheet. Make sure it's not the U. So that's similar, right? The V has a pointy bottom. So then you color in your V. Trace it first. Down, up. And then color it in. Nice. And you can keep going till this whole sheet is done. And if it's getting a little much, you can take a break, come back to it. All right, what about this one, friends? What's this one? P. P. So go ahead, that's a lowercase p. We're going to find it on your sheet. It's right next to your O, which should be colored in already. And make sure it's not the Q, because the Q looks like the P, but it's the other way. So the P should be right next to the O. So now you have your O and your P colored in, but you might have different ones because you can do different letters than me. Okay, and then we'll find another letter. What is this one? S. So then I'm going to find my S and color it in. And you can do it along with Miss Victoria. You could do your own letters. S. Very good. All right, one last one. Let's find our letter of the week. What was our letter of the week, friends? U. That's right, U. And what color? Yellow. Very good. Find your U. It's right before your V. The V has a pointer bottom and the U is just nice and round. So I have my U and my V colored in. See? All right, I hope you like that game, friends. You can play with these a lot and keep practicing all your letters. And the lowercase ones look different than the uppercase ones, right? So keep practicing which ones they are, what they go to. Okay, I hope you like that lesson, friends. I will see you again very soon. Bye.